Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Z Proto. This is by Hotwheels and this is from their factory fresh series, as you can see here. So let's get this unboxed and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So this looks really amazing. You can see the interiors here. Let me just try to show you guys. Yeah, here it is. And since this is just the basic Hot Wheels cars, and the lights are just headlights and taillights, both are just painted on it. Doesn't have any suspension or anything. It still looks pretty decent for the price range, especially if you compare with Maisto's entire series. Hot Wheels is really great. I don't know how I'm getting the scratches here, given that it's out of the box new. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Consider subscribing. That would be a great help for me to put out a lot more great content like this. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.